Oliver, there we go.
Hello everyone, can you hear me? I was given the difficult task of trying to talk to a room of Shopify professionals about Shopify. So let's give it a go. Beyond the horizon. So a lot of you will be aware that Shopify launches the editions every 6 months. So we talk a lot about our product releases. So we're looking at kind of 150 releases out on the product about a month ago or so. But like I said, I'm not a product expert. I'm here to talk about partnerships. So I'm going to focus on some of the big key changes we made to the partner ecosystem in that release. So one of the key things that changed in this most recent update was that Shopify and their leadership team have really focused on partnerships as the true kind of backing and the main thing that we're going to be utilizing as our growth engine. So some of the changes that we've utilized, we've launched Shopify Plus development stores. We're looking at partners as being more enabled to actually own the sales cycle themselves, whereas previously it was being routed more through our sales team. Partners are now more empowered than ever to actually own that process themselves. Didn't realize there's a screen down there. That would have made my life a lot easier. So in terms of additional things, we're able to navigate new territories together. That is geographical. So we launched 15 new countries with Shopify Payments in Q2 alone. So that, again, opens up a lot of additional opportunity for partners working with Shopify. In addition to that, we're launching new verticals. So food and beverage and manufacturing being two key ones where we're seeing a lot of growth. But finally, there's obviously product lines as well. Shopify POS, B2B, these are areas of huge investment for Shopify. And again, opens up an additional opportunity for agencies working with us. And I think there's been a lot of talk today already about trying to find your niche. These are additional ways where agencies can start to hone in on those different areas of the product. So in terms of how we're looking to actually structure and support that from a Shopify perspective, we're looking at how we can actually involve agency partners in up to 80% of the deals that we're working on with our merchants. So we're launching a partner recommendation engine, which is going to look across multiple different data points, so location, ICP, capacity, merchant feedback, to help tailor those recommendations to our merchants. So that's where merchants are coming to us directly, wanting to know what agencies they want to work with. We're able to tailor that with data to provide the right agency. In addition, where our sales team are going out to the market, speaking to merchants, we want those sales reps to bring agencies along with them because we know that that's just more likely to result in a successful launch for that merchant. So we're also trying to use that data to bring more agencies in to those conversations. I said I wasn't going to talk about products, so I'm not going to go into too much detail here, but product is, of course, key for success. Over 50% of our members of staff at Shopify, so you're looking at kind of 4,500, 5,000, are developers. Like I mentioned already, editions. We're sending out hundreds of new product releases every year across those two different editions launches. And in terms of the amount of money spent on R&D, we're looking at $3 billion across 2023 and 2024 alone. So, beyond the horizon, I think the key thing here is that as Shopify grows, this also opens up huge opportunity for the agencies that continue to work with us. I know there's plenty of agencies in here today that are already working with us, so keep doing that. And for anyone that isn't, come speak to us. Myself, Ben, Shane, we're all here. Come have a chat. We'd be more than happy to take you on that journey with us. Thank you.